Hi, welcome to Electric World TV. Today we're looking at what the latest Amendment 2 regulations mean regarding AFDDs. With the new amendments to the 18th edition wiring regulations now in effect, we thought it would be a good idea to look at one of the elements we are frequently asked about: deciphering what the Amendment 2 regulations mean for your installation regarding arc fault detection devices, or AFDDs. First of all, what is an AFDD? Arc faults occur when the electrical current jumps between two conductors, either in parallel or in series. The most common causes for arcs include worn contacts in electrical equipment, damage to insulation, break in a cable, and loose connections. All of these can lead to electrical fires, and these continue to be a significant issue in the UK. Unlike other protection devices, AFDDs use microprocessor technology to analyse the waveform of the electricity being used to detect any unusual signatures which would signify an arc on the circuit. AFDDs use an algorithm to identify arc faults and to differentiate these from normally occurring arcs to minimise nuisance tripping while protecting against possible fire hazards. Okay, so what is the new amendment and how will it affect installations? Regulation 421.1.7 now states AFDDs conforming to BSEN 62606 shall be provided for single-phase AC final circuits supplying socket outlets with a rated current not exceeding 32 amps for the following: buildings above 18 metres or 6 stories, also classed as high-risk residential buildings, houses of multiple occupancy, purpose-built student accommodation, and care homes. For all other premises, the use of AFDDs is recommended for single-phase AC final circuits supplying socket outlets not exceeding 32 amps. Recommended. What does that mean? Well, the regulations use the same definition for recommended as the previous 18th edition Amendment 1B7671, in which recommended is defined as should. So essentially, Amendment 2 is clarifying where AFDDs are now a requirement to be compliant, and that best practice would be to install AFDDs on all future installations in any premises with single-phase AC final circuits supplying socket outlets not exceeding 32 amps. Well, there you go. Hopefully this has given some clarity regarding Amendment 2 and AFDDs, and hopefully I won't need to say single-phase AC final circuit supplying socket outlets not exceeding 32 amps again for a while. Many thanks for watching. Take care.